All right, guys. So, like I said, about 2-4 bass, about 2 pounds 4 ounces, I believe, or 3 ounces. Nice bass, guys. Give you guys a better look. There you go, guys. Nice, healthy bass. So, all right, guys. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna start fin down. So we're gonna start. I start this way, then I flip it over and I come down the spine, guys, or the backbone. Sorry, yeah. So here you go. Gonna angle it. And it might have eggs in it too. And once you feel that backbone, keep the knife kind of angled over. Yep. Full of eggs. Flip it over, guys. And then you're gonna go under the tail or under the fillet here. You don't want to go through the skin. Just want to go through the meat part. Then you can grab the skin right here, guys. You can grab that skin and you can pull it to hold your angle down. There you go. So you got one huge bass fillet. Then I'm gonna cut this off. Flip it over. Show you the eggs here. So as you can see, full of eggs. So they're getting ready. Full of eggs, guys. All right, so we're gonna flip it over. I need to sharpen my fillet knife or get me another one of the two. I've been having this one for a while. It's the Piranha Mr. Twister, but I just need to clean it. Sharpen it up. There you go, fillet number 2. Put the carcass over there. Gonna get it cleaned up, and we're gonna see you guys. We're gonna see y'all when we start frying up, guys. This is gonna be good tonight.